Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to navigate tax reporting support on Wise, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1, log in to your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and sign in to your account. Step 2, access tax documents. Go to your account dashboard, then look for the Reports or Tax Documents section. Step 3, download your tax reports. Here you can download annual summaries or transaction reports needed for your tax filings. Step 4, understand your reports. Wise provides detailed transaction histories, currency conversions, and fees, all important for accurate tax reporting. Step 5, use Wise support for help. If you have questions about your tax documents, visit the Wise Help Center or contact Wise support through live chat or email. Step 6, keep your documents safe. Download and save your tax reports securely to use for your tax returns or for your accountant. Tip: tax laws vary by country. Consult a tax professional to ensure compliance. That's it. You now know how to access and use Wise tax reporting support. If this guide helped, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.